Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you watched my last video, you already saw me tackle that detangling session, right? If you missed that video, don't worry, I will link it right up here. But now let's get into cleansing my hair, because a clean scalp is a happy scalp. I'll be showing you the simplified steps that I take to gently cleanse, moisturize and treat my natural hair while still keeping those tangles away. Since we've already detangled, my wash day is starting extra smooth. I have completely drenched my hair in water to remove the flaccid gel I detangled my hair with. The next step is to shampoo my hair. I'm using this shampoo from ORS Olive. It is sulfate free, gentle, and it gets my scalp clean without stripping my hair or my curls. This is the time to show your scalp some love. I focus on my scalp first because that's where all the builds-up are. I use the pads of my fingers and not my nails. Take your time at this point. I do this at least 3 to 5 minutes to remove dirt, boost blood circulation and promote hair growth. And then I go ahead and rinse it off. Go in again with the shampoo the second time using my scalp massager. This makes massaging very easy and less tiring. And then I go right back under the water, cleansing it off my hair. Now we have a clean hair. Next up, deep conditioning. This, my dears, has to be my favorite part on my wash days, because this is where the magic happens. This will help to strengthen my hair and restore moisture back to my hair. I'm using this one from Mega Growth. I added a little bit of coconut oil to it for more slip and then mix well to combine. Some people skip deep conditioning because ain't nobody got time, right? But girl, 20 minutes will save you 2 hours later. Trust me. So the process is simple. I take down my mini twist, apply a generous amount of deep conditioner, work it into my hair strands, and then twist it back up. I do this all throughout my hair, right? And after that, I covered it up with a plastic bag, allow it to marinate for some minutes so that the deep conditioner can, do its magic, okay? Because that's where the magic happens. So while my hair marinates, let's chat a little. What's your biggest wash day struggle? How often do you deep condition your hair? Every week or whenever you remember? Be honest. Please drop your response in the comment section and I'll be sharing some of your tips in my next video.
3, 2, 1.
Now we are back. So I carried this for quite some time. I know that the labels of these products will always tell you to like carry it for 15 minutes, 30 minutes max. But to be honest, I had mine on for an hour plus, thereabouts. Okay, just so that this softens my hair the way that I want. This is the time that I can confidently take comb or brush to my hair, because right now my hair feels very soft. So it feels safe for me now as a 4C type girly to use comb or brush just to get rid of any knots or tangles left anywhere on my hair. After this, you will see me right back under the water, cleansing this off my hair. So I just take my time to use my brush, my comb. I use comb this time around to just go through my whole head of hair and, detangle, and then I twist it back up, and then you will see me right under the water washing it off my hair. At this point, my hair feels amazing. My hair feels soft and defined. The word is, my hair feels happy right now. See, if you're one of those girls that kind of skip deep conditioning on their wash days because you complain of time or whatever, girl, you're missing, okay? Ever since I started deep conditioning my hair, I've never stopped, like skip for one day. Normally, what I did before was to condition my hair. I don't deep condition. But right now, I don't even see the need to condition my hair. I just go straight and deep condition my hair. And my hair feels so amazing. On to the next step. Now it's time to lock in that moisture. I'll be using the LCO method. liquid, cream, and oil. This is all about layering moistures and locking it in. This is one of the ways I keep my natural hair moisturized, soft, and shiny. So water will serve as my liquid. Water is the best moisturizer. It helps open up the hair follicles so that it can absorb the products better. Then I'm using my conditioner as the cream. As my cream, I apply a generous amount to each section, making sure to smooth it through from the root to the tips to soften my curls and to make detangling very easy, super easy. The last thing here is to lock in all that moisture with oil to prevent dryness and moisture loss throughout the week to keep the curls shiny and protected. So the first is the water. After the water, I go in with my conditioner as my cream, and then I go in with the oil to seal up everything to make sure that my hair is super hydrated and moisturized for days. Yeah, so if you made it to this point, thank you so much. To my returning subscribers that always come back to watch my videos, I appreciate you guys so much. You guys are the real MVP. I never ever take your love and your support for granted. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, please do not make it your last. Do want to subscribe to my channel. Please like the video. Drop a comment for me in the comment section. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.